Welcome back! Today I'm going to see what happens when you microwave chip. Okay, so let's get started. So here we are, Charlie's videotaping now. Here we have our bag of chips. 10 seconds. Wait. There you go. Okay. Let's turn off the lights so you can see it easier. Oh. Dude. Okay, don't open it. Dude, let it cool down. Okay? Let's turn back on the lights. We're gonna let this cool down. That scared me so much. I know. Let's take a look. Oh, look at how tiny that is. Oh, it's adorable. Little bag. Oh my gosh. Little bag of chips. A little bag of chips. Is it hot? No, it's not hot. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Little bag of chips. Oh my gosh. I smell electricity. Smell it. It has that electricity. It's disgusting smell. That was insane. This is so cool. Well, like, comment, and subscribe on this. Wait, dude, why did you say that? We had to do the click up here. This is so cool. Okay, so here's our final product. So cute. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and everything. Here. Click right here to see our last video. Click on Charlie's face to subscribe to us. And click right here to see something else that Charlie's going to put. So, thank you guys for watching. See you later.